guys? It's 7:37 here in Texas. It's honestly a beautiful day. I'm just here parked right 23 minutes before I go to work. I work at Walmart. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Right. Yes, sir. I just wanted to talk about real quick something I've learned throughout these last 3 years that I haven't been on YouTube about the markets. And honestly, that is the fact that the markets is a reflection of you. When you're in the markets, you're literally trading against yourself. You might have heard this one before, but honestly, executing is so important too. Like, how would you execute after you take maybe 3-4 losses in a row? You'd be kind of scared, right? But if you know your plan is profitable in the long run, then you shouldn't really have to hesitate to execute, even though you've lost 3 or 4 consecutive trades. You know what I mean? Eventually the probabilities will play out. At the end of the day, trading is a probabilities game. Remember, we're here to, whenever you're in the markets, we're not here to be right or wrong. We're here to execute. We're here to follow our plan, do our analysis, and execute. Once you execute, you'll let the trade do its thing. You don't touch it. One thing that I like to do is I trade straight off on TradingView. So I log into my broker, I place my trade, and then you know how when you place a trade on TradingView and you start seeing numbers and all that, I don't watch those numbers. I just log out my broker, and I don't watch the numbers. I just log out, and I don't even really pay attention to it. I pay attention to it, like I'll go on TradingView and I'll see the trade based on the stop loss, the take profit, see how the trade's doing, but I don't actually watch the number, the money that's going on the trade. You know what I mean? Because one thing I've learned is when you're starting to look at numbers, you're more chances are that you want to close it before hitting take profit. Chances are is if you see negative numbers, then you want to close it before hitting stop loss. You just let it do its thing. You log out. I wish there was a way that you could just put the trade in percentages instead of just number when it comes money wise. If it was like percentage wise, I would feel so much better, because there isn't an option on that in TradingView. Then I have to just log out of my broker completely. Once you do your analysis, you let it do its thing. But yeah, I mean, the market is a reflection of you, man. You have to really master yourself. You have to, how do I say this? We are all human. Trading is something that a lot of humans are not used to doing. Seeing money go up and down, trading your money for time is not something that we are used to doing. When you start going on red, or you see your trade start reversing, losing, your brain just kind of goes into survival mode, and we don't even realize it. Your brain obviously just wants to close the trade real quick, so that you feel more comfortable, you feel relieved. You're like, oh man, I don't have to sit here and take a full loss or watch this anymore. But in reality, we just have to let it play out. If we know if you know your strategy is profitable in the long run. If you know your strategy is profitable in the long run, then just let it play out. Take a look at how your last 10 trades do. I mean, just if you're profitable over the last 10 trades, last 20 trades, then let it play out. You're good, man. Just let the trade play out. Don't look at it. Just log out, go on with your life, work out, hang out with your friends. Don't just sit on the charts and look at the trade. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted a quick update with you guys. I know I've been long gone from YouTube for 3 years. I don't know how many of you guys are actually still in the channel. I don't know anything, but I'm probably a whole new crowd of people. But those of you who who stuck on the channel for 3 years, and if you're still there, man, I appreciate you, man. I'm trying to be more consistent. For example, I'm 17 minutes away from going to work. I'm trying to do videos like on crunch time. I'm trying to do videos on when I'm on a time limit. Like, for example, I gotta go to the gym at 12, and it's 11:59. I parked in the gym parking lot. I got 10 minutes to do a video. I'm gonna boom, turn on the camera and start talking about something, anything. I feel like I perform better when I'm on crunch time, and I gotta perform. You know what I mean? Instead of being like, oh, I have all day to do a video, I'll just do it later, and just procrastinate, and you never end up doing it. So yeah, you're gonna see a whole lot more videos like this when I'm in the car, or when I'm about to do something, and I'll just come up with a random topic that I've learned in the past 3 years about the markets, and I'll talk to you guys about it. For pretty much beginner traders, because I was a beginner trader. So yeah, guys, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys around.